Mamaya na po mga kap ang ating webinar and Q&A dito sa Kap Unity Canada. So kung pangarap mo pumunta dito sa Canada, pangarap mo dalhin ang iyong pamilya dito sa Canada, join our free webinar because we're going to share with you ano yung step-by-step process. Ano yung mga requirements na kailangan mo. And guess what? Kasama ko sa ating webinar, ating partner, na si Miss Amelia Ajok, our licensed immigration consultant. So, I want you to remember this, no? So, pangarap mo pumunta sa Canada, kailangan mo alamin kung ano ang mga requirements at kailangan mong kompleto ang mga documents. The reason why pumakap dahil kung hindi naman kompleto at wala ka naman ng mga requirements at you are not eligible, then you miss the opportunity. Because the rule of the thumb pumakap with Canada immigration, you need to be eligible. So just imagine this. Kailangan ng language test? Wala ka. Kailangan ng proof of funds? Wala ka. Diba? So these are the examples na hindi tayo makakapag step 1, step 2, step 3 kung wala ka ng mga documents na kailangan natin. And also, don't waste your time. Sabi ko nga, if you're eligible today, do it today. Example po mga kap, marami tayong mga kap na eto na, meron ng job offer, biglang nagsara yung program. Anong gagawin natin? Wala, dahil nagsara yung program. So this is something that I want you to remember. If you're eligible today, do it today. Because we don't know the immigration program, kilalang kilala ang Canada na frequently changing. So right now po mga kap, I'm telling you, if you are eligible today, do it today. Huwag mong palalampasin. That's it for tonight. Maraming salamat po mga kap. See you in our next video. See you po mamaya 11 p.m. Halifax time kasama si Miss Amelia, our licensed immigration consultant. If you're from the Philippines, that's 10 in the morning ng Sabado po. Maraming salamat po mga kap.